This is a family tree maker backup. It contains your genealogy data. You need to restore it inside the software, not just open it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's restore history. My experience tells me that some FTMB files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. A FTMB file is a backup created by Family Tree Maker, a genealogy software program used to create and manage family trees. It contains a compressed copy of all the data associated with a family tree project, including individuals, relationships, events, notes, sources, and media files. This backup allows users to restore their family tree data in case of data loss or corruption. FTMB files are typically created automatically by Family Tree Maker at regular intervals or manually by the user. The backup process compresses the data to reduce file size. Restoring from an FTMB file overwrites the current family tree data with the data from the backup. It's crucial to store FTMB files in a safe location to prevent data loss. The file format is proprietary to Family Tree Maker. The tool most commonly used for creating FTMB files is Software McKeeve Family Tree Maker by Ancestry.com, Inc. Windows provides limited insight into this file, showing only basic attributes. Windows can detect the file, but not its contents, so a compatible backup program must be used to view it. Begin the search for the correct application handler. Right-click the FTMB file and choose Open With. Use Software McKeeve Family Tree Maker first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is necessary for all stubborn file errors. If your FTMB file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. The easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection. Let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, use Family Tree Maker. Open the file using Family Tree Maker, the required application for the genealogy project. Next, use Restore function. Launch the original application and use its file. Restore from Backup menu option. Finally, check version. Ensure your Family Tree Maker version is compatible with the version that created the backup. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagick. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at FileMagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.